hope everyone is well. Right. आता तुम दाखवता आमगे कितकोन दिसते from the outside. Let's go. Start. बरे दिसत something. So from the outside it looks like that. Okay. And there's 2 rooms in there. And a bathroom and a sitting area. Like steps, and then you go here. Okay, ani corner out there, dusre to tingani corner out there. Look, there's a little doggy there. So. Okay, and then this is the lounge area in Bospata, and that's where we're gonna have our breakfast. And it looks beautiful. There's mountains, and there's a view here. What?
Hi.
Yeah. Good morning. Right. So in where is going? Dongur hai. Okay. Okay. Cool. So pretty. It's really beautiful. Ani Brian, Ani Salom, they're getting ready. I'm ready. Savi's ready. Then we're gonna have breakfast. And in Maggie, we're gonna start day 2 in Wales. Okay. See you later. Ciao. सगळ्याकून कॅरवन आमगेली बरी आसलोली कित्याक आमगे कॅरवना बॅल्कनी आसलोली थोड्यांगे कॅरवना बॅल्कनी आसोना आनी थोड्यांगे बॅल्कनी आहा ती पासून तेंगे प्लांट्स आसोनाय वो तेंगे सोफा आसोनाय सो वी वर द लकी वन टू बुक दीस वन आनी इट वॉज द लवली स्टे इन द कॅरवन आम सावियो म्हणे बिकॉज सावियो वॉज द प्लॅनर आनी हॉटेल्स बी तेणें चूज केलोली सो वी सेड वाय डिडंट वी चूज कॅरवन फॉर आवर सेकंड नायट एज वेल बट आम कॉटेज बूक केलोली in the mountains as well and not bad pun then we decided to cook breakfast I and Salomon jugaad kelo cooking in the caravan ani eggs kelole toast kelole and tea adle disa in the evening Savio and Brian had gone to the grocery shop to get some groceries tadon kitam last night chicken roast kelole and ribs kelle and rice kelano so we got some groceries and morning ete Savio baka ha mutala amage mono asana ko chau pipa distale but I still ate kite amka long way ahlo and it was in the mountains anyway so there would be nothing in the mountains to stop and here we were all enjoying and look at us just enjoying. We make a move. Abhi, what are you doing?
Just checking.
Checking what?
Checking to see if everything's
fine. The view. And the view. Excited to go. We are going to Snowdonia. It'll be fun. Time to go. Put it in the box. Where are you taking the key? Cool. So are you ready?
Yeah, you ready?
Yup.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Look, there's mountains.
Yeah, there's mountains there.
There is
no?
riverside there. I can show you. It's a nice one.
Riverside, we're going to waterfall.
Yeah, but there's riverside if you guys want to see that. It's just here. One way.
Okay.
Okay, come.
Let's go. Salome, you ready? Yes. Brian, ready? So you're not ready. So we are on our way to Snowdonia. We already reached Snowdonia. The mountains are here, the mountain peaks. So basically Snowdonia is north of Wales. And all it is, it's the mountains. So Himalaya amge khitko naha. So everything is in the mountain. There is no other route by road. So mountain acheru ha. And it's mountain peaks that you can watch. And lakes and sea and beautiful views. So যখন Himalaya पावला they might have seen the views आणि ते बाशिनून ते सारखे हिमालया बाशिनूच but obviously snow जायना तेंपा लास्ट टायम हांव हिमालया गेल्लें बट इट वॉज इन जुलाय इटसेल्फ तो स्नो आसोना ओके एन्जॉय द व्यूज म्हाका चोडूय उलोवपा नाका बिकॉज आय वॉन्ट यू ऑल टू एन्जॉय द व्यू फ्रॉम माय आयज We come to what lake? Ogwen?
Ogwen, yeah.
Ogwen Lake. Oh. Wow. Pretty.
Sorry. Thank you.
Look, there's so many stones under the water.
We would cross over here. A big bird.
Seagulls.
Can you go down?
No? Pretty. Hello, Savio. Oh,
Take a picture here.
Meins. Nicht, dass es jetzt gerne
Beauty.
ist. Das ist das Arbeitsnavi.
Jump rüber.
Das ist einfach irgendein
Oh, ja.
rein.
Sabi, what are you trying to do?
This is not the beauty.
Huh? The beauty is right here.
Or
Beauty
what
is here.
This is natural beauty.
I'm also natural beauty.
This is stone beauty.
Okay.
Mountain beauty.
Ooh, that actually looks pretty.
Oh, serio, aqui
I'm
tem.
gonna pull this down.
Oh, Bita.
Why can I not pull my window down?
Carlo. Okay, go on.
Child lock? Yeah. आता आमी वयताय टू अ वॉटरफॉल आनी इट्स अ ब्युटिफूल वन मागीर मागीर चोयाय तुमी आनी म्हळ्यार बरी मेहनत करूं पडटा थिंग वचपाक कित्याक इट्स ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द माउंटन्स एंड यू हॅव टू ड्रायव एंड देन यू हॅव टू वॉक सो एन्जॉय द जर्नी we are high up in the mountains. आर्याचे कोड आसता तुमकां हितू भायर मातते and it's very windy. Now we are climbing.
Yeah, come from this side only. There you go, madam. You also be careful. Have fun. We'll see you there.
I'll follow you then. You got the map on thingy, right?
Yeah, we'll do our best.
I'll follow you then. That's it.
No
It's probably
problem.
more easier for us as well.
No problem.
Hathor kata.
Yeah, okay. Good.
We literally, amnu goita ti mountain na hogo ting lok hui because of the mountain view so poite hui, and now tum kawa zada sto udka, so I literally can hear the waterfall, the water flowing. And ata moitai. This waterfall is called, hold on. It's called that. I cannot pronounce that. Avaz il tum udka no. And waterfall udo attacking flows ata. Beautiful. Going to the waterfall. Wani katia mukut keles kone. Yeah.
Your slippers, no?
Wow. What a location. What are people doing? Oh, people are actually having a bath.
Come on, ready? What's he doing?
हाँ तो obviously cold लागतो ना किती गरम असतं किती wow welcome to jungle it is not a jungle
It is a jungle.
jungle I literally feel like wilderness now to ऐसे को ना हाँ but that there it is more risky probably because we went during the rain season ए महीना गेल नहीं आम्ही last year in Goa thank you where is the fall I don't see the fall wow there nature what is there hot
चलोन waterfall दिसती पड तुमकां yes we're going closer to it आणि तुमकां दिसती पडटले how beautiful is the waterfall
बरो वयर आसलो वॉटरफॉल. इट्स लायक 1 hour वॉक. ओके. आनी थंय धाकटी धाकटी मनशां दिसती पडटा तुमकां. ती भुरग्यां पासून घेवन गेलोली लोक थिंग न्हांवतालीं. बट ते दोंगड्या म्हाका भूक लागोली and it's food time. So hungry. Let's go eat. I like the red doors. They're nice. Cheers, me house. So we went for Chinese food and my favorite pronto, sesame prontos, fried rice. The food was yummy. Calamaris and beef in black bean sauce and noodles. The food was really yum. Oh my god, today was so good. आणि मागी तुम्ही कंटिन्युएशन व्लॉग टुमॉरो चोया कित्या ऑल जातो न्हू व्लॉग सो हांवें हाफ केला एंड टुमॉरो इज इवन मोर इंटरेस्टिंग. सो I hope you've enjoyed this one and until I see you in my next vlog, love yourself, be kind and shine. Bye everybody, bye.